The DC output is supplied by a combination of the variable transformer and the main testing transformer, supplying infinitely variable voltage to the motor in the range selected by the armature tap switch. Select an appropriate trip level by pressing the Limit push button. Each press of this button will cycle the trip level to the next highest setting, and pressing this button while at the highest setting will cycle back through to the beginning. You will first select the field voltage by adjusting the variable transformer. The input percentage tap should be set to 100% whenever energizing the DC armature output. Always energize the field before energizing the armature. This system requires the presence of at least a half an amp on the field circuit before allowing the armature to be energized. Once the DC armature output has been armed, you can control the voltage with the potentiometer in the bottom right corner of the panel. This will allow you to slowly bring the motor up to the desired RPM. When the testing is complete, simply press the stop button to de-energize.